Ni hao. Hello, very nice. I wish you a happy new Chinese year.
Hola, hola. Un saludo a todos mis amigos del Maquinaria Shandong, en especial a Michelle, y agradecerles por la confianza que nos han brindado y por las maquinarias enviadas. Quiero desearles un feliz año nuevo chino, mucha fortuna, mucha abundancia para todos ustedes, éxito y mil gracias. Seguimos trabajando con ustedes.
Un saludo muy especial a mis amigos de Maquinaria Shandong y Jingsen. Les deseo un feliz año y agradezco la colaboración que hemos tenido y que seguiremos teniendo.
I'm Venkatesh from Vira Group. I purchased seat rolling machine and seat bending machine from your company. It was on the way. I'm expecting I'm going to place more orders if it works good. Thank you so much for your service and support. Your customer care service is very good. I really appreciate your company's work. Thank you so much, Lucy.
Hello Vera. Hello Shanghai Honggang Machinery Company team. When I first started talking to you on Alibaba, I was very skeptical because I don't often use the internet to make large transactions. But after your warm, accommodating and loving assistance, I felt a lot more comfortable. And for that, I'd like to say thank you for being with me every step of the way. Cheers to another year of friendship, happiness, health and laughter. Happy Chinese New Year of 2026 everyone. All the best in business.
Happy Chinese Spring Festival to Vinci and Jingsen Machinery Company.
Hi everyone, I'm Susana from Peru. I wish all the folk at Shanghai Honggang a happy new year and all the best.
Hi Jocelyn, I wish you, your family and the entire China a happy beautiful new year.
Hello Tiffy and Annie, Kelly, how are you? Hope today is good. Honestly, I want to say a very big thank you for the purchase I made in your company. I'm so glad, I'm so happy. The machine is working very, very well. It's of a very high quality. The wrapping machine is a good one. At first, we had a little bit difficulty in fixing it, setting it up, but eventually we succeeded, and the machine has been serving ever since I bought it last year till date. It is still working very perfectly well. I'm so happy and glad, and I believe that the relationship will not end here, will not stop here. We'll keep doing business together. I'm very grateful. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Your product is very wonderful and nice, very durable, and you are trustworthy. Trustworthy because everything you said about the machine is exactly as it were. Thank you very much, my mosquito.
I wish you all the best and Happy New Year.
To you guys, wishing you a very happy and prosperous Chinese New Year. May this year bring you and your business immense growth, stability and abundant opportunities. We hope that energy of the new year inspires you to reach new heights and achieve all your professional goals with grace and determination.
Hi Vivian, this is Geert. Thank you for your sand water blast machine. It works quite well with a few problems, you know all about it. And your screw compressor we have, they both function very well, and hope you guys will have a very fortunate New Year, Chinese New Year. Thank you.
Happy Chinese New Year!
Hello Linda, my name is Ishma and this is my team, and we're very happy with your machine and very happy with your service as well, and we're all wishing you a happy Chinese New Year and you have a good time. Say hi to all your staff and say Happy New Year to everybody. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!